let's get right into this. Help! I'm trapped. So today we're doing a full face of Kimchichic Beauty for the Lunar New Year. And this is the year of snake. So we're doing a snake look with all Kimchichic Beauty products. If you guys are interested, then keep on watching. If you don't know me, I'm Elaina. Welcome. I usually do makeup looks, drag looks, face paints. Just check out later. I was on Painted with Raven Season 2, available on Wow Presents Plus right now. You can follow me on social media if you like. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's get right into this. If you guys don't know, I'm on Kimchichic Beauty Squad, which is like their PR influencer team. I've been with them for a few years already. One of the first ones I joined, and we get our discount codes. So if you see anything during this video that you like, I get a small commission, and if you use Elaina Glam 15 discount code, it gives you 15% off. Just a disclaimer. It's gonna be a full face voiceover because it's too much. If I talk to the full face and makeup, this would be an hour or longer. So it's gonna be a little sped up, and you're gonna see how I did the snakes. It's mostly eyeshadow and a little bit of face paint, but most of it is all Kimchichic Beauty products. So you'll see them all in the video. So watch and enjoy, and let's get right into this. So we're going to start with Cherry Chic palette with a black and a couple of reds, like a bright red and a darker red. Pretty much decided to paint a snake on my cut crease. So the snake is the cut crease, you know. It's kind of easy. Just go between black and red. I googled some red and black snake pictures, and that's pretty much what it looks like, similar. And I used a little bit of face paint, like water activated paints for the black later, just to outline. And the shimmer, the golden shimmer and the red shimmers go on the eyelid to go with the theme, the red and gold. I put the gel liner and the waterline. I'm using black from the same palette to smoke it out, and the red as well. And now we're painting the snake's face because I wanted to make sure it's clearly a snake. So I did the water activated paints, the black. I'm using hydrating base before the foundation, and I'm using a really good foundation, the 110 and 120 mixed, because I just put self tanner on and matches self tanner. The most concealer in medium page, and this is the usual, like a drag highlight, very bright in the middle. So I'm placing the medium beige first and then the white one, just to brighten up the very middle, like the diamond shape, like I usually do. And I'm setting with a pink powder, Puff and Pink, and a contour. It's a 01 and 03, chocolate and tawny. I'm using all the shades, you know, some places deeper, some places a little bit lighter. The nose contour was a little light. I don't think I showed it in the video. And this is almost catfish, the white powder, and that brightens up even more all the middle, that diamond shape. We're using blush Mercedes, and I'm using both colors, the pink and the orange, to create more of a red shade. To go with this theme, I put blush everywhere on my cheeks because, you know, it's drag, it has to be bright and deep. On the temples, on the nose, on the chin, you know, the usual spiel with a bright blush. And it does go with the whole Lunar New Year theme. I went to Miami bronzer just to bronze up a little bit more. I blended some more off camera with a little bit of powder because it was a little too dark. And this is a real good mascara. I still like it actually for everyday looks. The mascara is real good. And the Super Bish Lash, that Bish went on. And now we're going with a lip liner. I don't remember the name, but this is like the deeper red one. And sorry, I forgot the name right now. And of course, overlining like extremely because this is drag. That's going to be a huge lip. concealing it with the Date Night liquid lipstick. It's a matte lipstick. And I put a little bit of a golden shimmer afterwards from a palette just to go with a golden look. Almost forgot the highlight. So this is a Drama Queen highlight. And I used the gold, of course, to go with the gold. And this completed the look. So this is a finished look, and this is the first time I'm talking because, you know, this was very time consuming. So if you guys like long and talkative videos, I haven't filmed in a long time. But anyway, a reason being is the full face of kimchi. Mostly it was like almost everything is kimchi. It would take forever to talk through, so and nobody had patience for that. So it's just easier to do a voiceover and focus. You know what I mean? So this is your Lunar New Year look with the snakes. You know, snakes. I go literal. Sometimes I don't go literal, but sometimes I'm like, let's throw some snakes in there. But I had these for a while. And yeah, it was a fake plastic snake, so I wanted to put snakes and do like an evil snake look. Very snatched the way I like it, and I painted a snake on each eye because snakes. Yeah. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. The eye look was the easiest thing because it's like unblended snake, pretty much. And there's some blending here, and we got a very like evil snake. You know, I just need a tongue, a split tongue. Yeah, so I'm always happy with kimchi products performance. I use the catfish, the brightening powder in the eyes. You know, if you guys always ask me about the almost catfish, the white powder. If it's really white opaque, it's not. It's just white, but it's not like a white eyeshadow. It's a brightening powder, pretty much. But it does have a little bit of payoff, but it's not going to be like your white eyeshadow. Just set like a concealer with white. So that's not it. But it does brighten like the under eyes, around nose, like for drag makeup. That's going to help. And yeah, so that's one of my favorite things. And of course, the white concealer, the most concealer is always the staple. Put it in the middle. The eyeshadow palettes, the Cherry Chic, love that one because it's black, and the black is very good, and the red's very red. You know, it's a little repetitive on the pinks, you know, it's kind of similar, but the reds are real nice, and the gold is real nice to put gold in there. So that's like a big, big plus in that palette. And yeah, the foundation is always good. I mean, I'm not like reviewing stuff because I've used it many times, but these are my go-tos. And eyelashes, I love kimchi eyelashes. And that's finally the drag queen that created lashes of real drag. Some of them, a couple, like more of a normal everyday ones, but most of them are real like pop. So I really love that. I didn't want to put lashes that's too big because I want to be able to see all the eyeshadow and the gold to like a snaky colors, the gold. My snake is gold, red, and black. I looked it up. There's plenty of snakes, black and red. So yeah, there you go. So let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And let me know what you get for kimchi from Kimchichic Beauty. Are you getting anything for Chinese Lunar New Year look? Anyway, so thank you all for watching. You can follow me on social media if you like. All the links are in the description box. You can use my discount code ElainaGlam15 for extra 15% off. So thank you guys for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!